Avdi cuisine is not just a cuisine. It's a beautiful amalgamation of culture, sophistication, flavors, and nostalgia. And biryani and kebabs are not just dishes, they are a celebration in themselves. In this video, we will take you to some world famous biryani and kebab places in Lucknow. If you have time for just one street side meal in Lucknow, then let it be this one, Idris Ki Biryani. Mutton biryani lovers are gonna love this place. You will find some authentic Awadhi style cooking and a delicious plate of mutton biryani with mutton or chicken korma. Along with it, you can have rumali roti, kulcha or sheermal. Muhammad Idris started the shop in 1968 and he inherited the special recipe from his father, who was an expert biryani cook. Biryani is prepared in open, in the big copper degs, and these degs are oiled at first. This is how biryani is prepared. Rice is cooked with spices and then layered with yakhni gravy. Milk and malai are special ingredients along with many other spices. Finally, biryani is getting inside to be coats and coats opened, and look at it. I mean, aromas are amazing. Every single grain is to be seen separately, and that is the sign of a brilliantly cooked biryani. Chowk is famous for its traditional eateries, and no food lover leaves Lucknow without visiting Chowk to enjoy the mouth-watering delicacies. Kebabs in Lucknow go hand in hand, and Tunde Kebabi is one place that is not to be missed when it comes to kebabs and biryanis. Relationship of kebabs in Lucknow city goes way back in history. It is said that minced meat delicacies were a breakfast staple in 14th century, but 17th century saw a big revolution when the love of a toothless Nawab for the kebabs gave birth to Galapti kebab. As the Nawab started getting old, he began losing his teeth. Age was catching up, but the Nawab was in no mood to let go of kebabs. He ordered the khansamas to make the softest kebabs that would require no chewing, and that too without compromising on the flavors. And this resulted in Galapti kebab. These kebabs and parathas are the best things out of Lucknow. Tunde Kebabi is a legend when it comes to Galapti kebab. The shop has acquired a legendary reputation not only in India but globally. The secret of success rests in the perfect mixing of about 160 spices. Yes, you have heard it right, 160 spices. Spices have to be mixed well and left for some time for the flavors to seep in. It seems the recipe is a well-kept family secret, and this place is a must try when you're visiting Lucknow and love kebabs. Our next stop is Wahid Biryani. You cannot go to Lucknow and not have the chicken biryani at Wahid Biryani, a heaven for biryani lovers. The dish is cooked in dum style and packs a range of chicken and mutton delicacies that can leave you craving for more. Established back in 1955, Wahid Biryani is one of the legendary eateries of Lucknow and they are famous for their meaty Avdi biryani. And if you are one of those who like their chicken more than mutton, then don't miss their chicken biryani. Well, what is special about it? According to the owner, it is the potli masala that they infuse into the rice while preparing the biryani. The potli contains a whooping amount of 55 masalas and gives a magical taste to their biryani. And this landmark shop is known for Rahim Ki Nihari. Go there for some awesome kulchas right from the oven and delicious niharis. They have a rusty and earthy flavors in their preparations, and true meat lovers are definitely going to notice and enjoy that. Well, finally, we are at Riverfront. This is a very new place, but it is a buzzing place for some serious street food items. You will find anything from Indianized pasta to Indianized Chinese, along with some desi favorites like kebabs and parathas. They even have bhelpuri and a tandoori chai. So, what exactly is a tandoori chai? Well, kulhards are placed directly inside the tandoor where they are baked at high temperatures. The tea prepared separately is then poured into the cups where it starts to boil on hitting the hot clay, and you get a tea infused with the taste of hot clay and smoky flavors. Not sure where the origin lies for this preparation, but it's interesting to watch it. And you get tandoori chai with fire grilled hot bun maska loaded with butter. So, next time you are in Lucknow, do try these Avdi delicacies. Thanks for watching our video and stay tuned for the next one on vegetarian delights from this royal city named Lucknow. See you all in next video. Bye.